Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most versatile and beneficial flowers you can have in your garden, the marigold. If you're not growing these beauties yet, you're definitely missing out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you should plant marigolds in your garden. So let's jump right in. Easy to grow and maintain. First up, marigolds are super easy to grow. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these flowers are practically foolproof. They thrive in warm climates, but if you live somewhere chillier, don't worry. Just keep them away from frost and they'll be fine. They don't demand a lot of feeding either. Just water them every now and then and they'll bloom all year round. Attracts beneficial insects. Next, marigolds attract all sorts of beneficial insects, like ladybugs, butterflies, hoverflies, and bees. These little helpers keep your garden ecosystem in balance, helping with pollination and keeping pests under control. So if you want more of these friendly insects around, grow some marigolds. Eliminates cabbage moths. If you grow cabbages or other cruciferous veggies, marigolds can be your new best friend. These flowers naturally repel cabbage moths, which are notorious for causing caterpillar infestations. Plant marigolds around your cabbages and watch those pests stay away. Protects against nematodes. Marigolds also produce a substance called alpha-terthineol that helps keep nematodes and other pests away from your plants. They're perfect companions for tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and even roses, keeping them safe from unwanted guests. Adds aesthetic appeal to the garden. Not only are marigolds beneficial for your garden, but they also look great. Their vibrant reds and oranges can add a pop of color to any garden. They work well in pots or in the ground, complementing other plants and flowers perfectly. A great companion plant. Marigolds make fantastic companion plants for a variety of veggies, like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and more. Basically, you can plant them with almost anything, and know they'll be benefiting your other plants. Edible flowers. Did you know that some marigold varieties are edible? French marigolds have a citrusy flavor that you can add to salads, soups, and garnishes. If you love tea, you can dry the petals and make some aromatic marigold tea. Yum! Natural dye. Marigolds and pot marigolds contain pigments called carotenoids, which can be extracted for natural dyes. You can boil the flowers to create vibrant shades of yellow, orange, and gold to dye fabrics, yarns, or even Easter eggs. And that's a wrap on why you should grow marigolds in your garden. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!